the Red Bull Helicopter Stunt Show. The aerobatic helicopter is a Red Bull project 3 years in the making and includes one of the most experienced and talented pilots on the planet, Chuck Aaron, call sign Malibu. Using the science proved by the aerobatic pilots of the Flying Bulls in Europe, modifications were completed and the FAA was brought in to approve the program. Upon that approval, the Red Bull helicopter became the first and currently only helicopter approved by the FAA to do aerobatics. Just as Chuck Malibu Aaron became the first civilian pilot certified to do aerobatics in a helicopter. Last year, the Red Bull helicopter has performed in over 20 demonstrations across the country, entertaining millions that have been lucky enough to see it. Let's hear it for Malibu Chuck Aaron.